Right, let's quickly look at the weekly anticipation. Currently we are back live again. House is a bit upside down because of the building that's going on, but hopefully this week it will all end, and then the cleaning operation will start because it's dust all over the place. But finally I did what I wanted to do, so let's hope it all goes well. Last week was quite a different week in terms of the price coming down for 2 days and then quickly rising for 3 other days. So quite a mixed week. You look at the euro dollar, we can see that the price came below the 200 and then turned around when going back up towards the 89 and the 21. Currently I still have that trend line in place there. I can't really see that there's the other one. If you really want to go, and I would say that I would think is more in place currently, that specific one over there, which was a bounce. But remember, now we got all the moving averages coming together, so I think there's going to be a little bit of turmoil there, a little bit of shaking out maybe, so just be careful there. Direction at this stage, I mean, we are in a slightly up angle direction, but there's some huge moves in that up direction, so a bit difficult. MACD not really giving anything. There was a nice TC there, but as you see, it was the normal rule: when the price go below the 21, it pulls back to it and come down to the 89. So that is just one of the rules. But for the week here, I will sit on the sideline. Should it come down, if I really had to trade, I will trade between the 89 and the 200 SMA for the down move. If it goes up, pull back to the 21 and then starts moving away, then I will definitely start looking and be interested. But on a short term sort of strategy, I'll be looking for a moving back down from the 21 inside the 89 and the 200 SMA. 200, the British pound US dollar did not come down to the 200, but as you can see, it pulled back towards the 89 and the 21. The same scenario as with the euro dollar, that may be coming down. If it is going to come down, that's a region that I would look to trade. But we had some strong up moves, so I can't really see, and I can't say I can't really see, because in Forex or in any market, anything is possible. But I would say just have a look for a move above the 21 towards that trend line. Same on the euro side. Nothing prevents it from going up, because that is 3 quite strong moves going upwards. So very difficult. You can see there even the Swissy also in between that narrow band there. So it had a nice down move. Now that was a consolidation, so nothing prevents that from coming down, and then it will mean that the euro will be going up. You can see there, euro also had a nice up move, this pullback, and then maybe another move, strong move up. I don't know, only time will tell. Right, the US dollar, Japanese yen went up to just above the 89. It started pulling back, so this top trend line might be retested. So that is also a region that I would be looking into trade, that specific one there. The Aussie, I've shifted this trend line a little bit. You can see, find nice support there. Currently moving back up, so also you can see that trend line has been broken, so we might see a move back upwards there. Euro, Japanese yen, resistance there, so that might mean that we might see a move down here. This is on a weekly chart. Let me just change that. Right, there we are. I had it on a weekly chart just to check that specific blue trend line there. I just want to show you how far that comes back. You see right there, right over there. We're talking about May 2000. That's where that bottom trend line, that weekly trend line comes from. That's how strong it was. Became resistance. So this is one of the trades that I most definitely will watch this week also on trading it. I just want to add shape there so that I can remember that. That's the area I will be looking in. Should it start coming down, that is a nice about 100 or so, 70 pips, 80 pips that can be made there. That's where I'll be looking at. Right, that's it for the weekly. A bit uncertain. Not uncertain in the sense that the direction the market is moving. I mean, there you can see it's going upwards, but there's a lot of barriers there at that specific point. A lot of moving averages come together, and we always know that might mean a bit of a up and down move before it gets direction and rhythm again. That's a nice place to do your short-term training if you got a short-term strategy. That's it. Let's see how this week is going to play out.